Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you all are well and doing good. Students, in the previous class, we have learned that how to add watermarks in our presentation or in any document. Now we are going to learn that how to use tables and what are the uses of tables, why do we use them, and how can we uh, add tables to the document. So let's start. Open page number 13 of the book, everyone. A table consists of cells arranged in rows and columns. It is very useful tool for organizing data and information. Data arranged in tables is easy to read and understand. Beta, now when we are talking about tables, so tables basically consist of what? Cells. उनके जो एक एक बॉक्स होंगे हम उन्हें बेटा बोलते हैं cells. And cells are arranged in rows as well as columns. And when we have to organize our data or any information, so table are used for organizing this kind of data in a better way. And data can be arranged in tables, like we can easily arrange data in tables. And now we are going to learn that what are the uses of tables. We can use tables to organize different types of information. We can use tables to sort or classify data according to given criteria. We can use a table to group together the students who scored marks within a certain range, such as 60 to 69%, 70 to 79%, and so on. Beta, the purpose or the usage of tables is that we can use tables to sort out the data, to classify or sort out the data in a better way. For example, if you guys are the students of level 8 and I want to make your result, I can write, I can on a first column I can mention the name of the students. This in a second row I can mention that uh, which student got uh, 60% to 69, 70 to 79, 80 to 89, and 90 to 100. So it means that we can organize data we can organize data, we can use table to group the students who can score the range, for example 60 to 69, 70 to 79, and so on. Number second, we can use tables to compare data. A mark sheet displays the marks of all your subjects in one table. You can use this to compare the subjects you scored the most and the least marks in. Then you can decide which subjects to work harder on. This would be difficult if you had to read through all your examination answer scripts. Similarly, we can list the advantages of something such as internet in one column and the disadvantage in another. Comparing the two columns helps to form an opinion about the internet. Now, beta, if we are going to learn that uh, we can also use data uh, to summarize our information. For example, uh, if there is a mark sheet, okay, if you get your result, so you have a report card in which there are tables placed. Uh, in rows, there are your subjects written, and in the columns, there are your marks written of a particular subject. It means that we can organize data in the tables according to the given information. Number three, beta, if you want to observe, if you want to make your data, make your information useful, you can write, you can draw tables to classify that in which subject you scored the highest grade or highest marks, and in which subject you got the lowest or lower marks. And similarly, beta, not just for the result or not just for the marks we are going to draw the table or we are going to add the table, but we can also draw the table to make difference between the advantages and disadvantages of anything. For example, if we are writing the advantages and disadvantages of internet, so you can draw two columns, you can add two tables for the advantage, one for advantages of internet and the other one for disadvantages of internet. So we can know that what are the uses when we can add tables. Now moving to page number 14, inserting a table. Beta, as on the previous page, page number 13, we have learned that what are the uses of tables? Why do we use tables to organize data? And now on page number 14, we are going to learn that how to insert a table in a document. Here are some steps given to you. There are 5 steps to add a table or insert a table. Now that we know what tables can be used for, let's see how to insert a table. Beta, now we have learned that why tables can be used for which purpose we use tables, and now we are going to learn that how to insert a table. Number 1, place the cursor where you want to insert a table. First of all, when you are making a document and wherever you have to place a table, जहां भी आपको insert करना है table, उधर जो है आप कर्सर को मूव कर दें, ठीक है. Number 2, select table from the tables group on the insert tab, then select the insert table. Beta, now second step is to select table. बेटा आप जैसे ही insert टैब पे क्लिक करेंगे तो उधर जो है आपका टेबल का ऑप्शन आएगा इंसर्ट टैब पे. इंसर्ट टैब को आप जैसे ही क्लिक करेंगे उधर टेबल का ऑप्शन आएगा, आप उसको क्लिक कर दें. Number 3, you can set the table size by increasing or decreasing the number of rows and columns. बेटा आप जो है टेबल के साइज को इंक्रीज या डिक्रीज भी कर सकते हैं. आपको अगर 2 कॉलम्स चाहिए, 3 कॉलम्स चाहिए, 4 कॉलम्स चाहिए, ऐसे ही अगर रॉज भी आपको ज्यादा चाहिए तो आप क्या कर सकते हैं, उधर उसमें इंक्रीज या डिक्रीज कर सकते हैं साइज टेबल का. Number 4, you can also set the column width. There are 3 options. You can fix column width to have all columns the same width. You can use auto fit to contents to make each column wide enough to contain the text. You can also auto fit to window to make the table occupy the width of your document. बेटा नाउ वी कैन ऑल्सो सेट द कॉलम विड्थ. बेटा अगर ये जैसे आप लोगों को कॉलम 1, कॉलम 2 और कॉलम 3 दिखाया गया है इसमें, तो अगर बेटा आपको जो है इसकी कॉलम की विड्थ को बड़ा करना हो या छोटा करना हो तो बेटा इसके 3 ऑप्शंस होते हैं, ठीक है. या तो आप इनके सेम विड्थ रखें, तीनों के या 2, जितने भी आप कॉलम्स बना रहे हैं, जितने भी आप टेबल इंसर्ट कर रहे हैं, तो इससे क्या होगा कि सबके रॉज और कॉलम्स क्या होंगे, इसके मतलब सेल्स. बेटा एक एक बॉक्स को हम बोलते हैं सेल्स, तो इसके बेटा क्या होंगे, सेल्स सेम विड्थ के होंगे. और सेकंड ये हो सकता है बेटा आप ऑटो फिट, अगर कंटेंट को ऑटो फिट यूज करें तो उससे क्या होगा कि जो आपको अगर कॉलम 1 आपको बड़ा करना है उसको इंक्रीज कर दें, कॉलम 2 को डिक्रीज करना है डिक्रीज कर दें, और कॉलम 3 को अगर इंक्रीज करना है उसको इंक्रीज कर दें. इट डिपेंड्स ऑन यू. अब थर्ड ऑप्शन बेटा ये होता है कि ऑटो फिट विंडो पे कर दें. अभी हमने कंटेंट का बताया था, अब ऑटो फिट विंडो पे करेंगे तो विंडो से क्या होगा बेटा, आपका जितना भी डॉक्यूमेंट आपकी स्क्रीन पे जितना भी डॉक्यूमेंट, डेस्कटॉप पे जितना भी डॉक्यूमेंट आपको नजर आ रहा होगा उसके हिसाब से क्या होगा बेटा, वो फिट हो जाएगा उसमें. नाउ द लास्ट स्टेप, क्लिक ऑन ओके टू रिटर्न टू द डॉक्यूमेंट. बेटा आप जैसे ही ओके पे करेंगे तो आपका डॉक्यूमेंट वापस क्या हो जाएगा, आप डॉक्यूमेंट की तरफ आ जाएंगे. So I hope page number 13 and 14 is clear to you all.